If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to go to the clock app, which you can find, for example, in the app drawer. Once we go to the clock app, in here we should be able to, of course, make sure that we have alarm selected. And in order to create your own alarm, you can just use this plus button that we have on the right side. And then we can choose when the alarm should go off. You can also choose days of the week on which the alarm should go off. So you can choose a couple of days in here. You can of course choose all days, so it will go off every day. You can also tap on this calendar icon in order to choose a specific date. Also, we have the alarm name, so you can set up the name for the alarm. We can also find the sound options. You can change the alarm sound if needed. We have the vibration settings as well, snooze options, and you can add the alarm into a group. So we can categorize alarms into groups. And there is also the alarm background, which we can also customize if needed. Tap on save in order to create your alarm, and then once you create it, it's going to be automatically enabled, and you can see here when the alarm will go off in what time. You can of course tap on the switcher in order to turn it off or turn it back on. In the case of repeatable alarms, if you try to turn it off, you have the option to turn back on just for 1 day. And of course, we can remove alarms that we no longer need to. So you can press and hold your finger to select an alarm. You can also, of course, select multiple alarms at once, and then we can delete everything. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.